Hi and welcome to another video that is showing the new features of Xcode11. So if you've got it installed, you should have Xcode11 installed, and also make sure your Mac is a beta version. That's all it's released at the moment, 10.15. You really need it to be able to experience the full potential of Xcode11. So open Xcode11 and create a new project. It's a single view app, and we're going to call it first app and labels. And make sure use Swift UI is selected. And then once you've got that, it will boot up and you press resume on the right here. Hit that straight away so it starts building it. And this is our preview, our automatic preview as we change the code in our content view. So this is where you're going to be working mostly to create your view. Now it's a great thing because this Swift UI makes it compatible with all devices. So that makes your app very accessible. Let's have a look at this. So we've got text hello world, and it's inside a var body some view, okay? And down the bottom here, if debug. So this is what they've created so that we can preview this content view. So this is taking a little bit to go. Things you can look at. So that was build succeeded, which is great. And there's our view. You can just pinch to zoom out, and we've got a hello world. Now what's great about this, and I didn't know this before, is if you command and tap on it and press inspect, you can change everything in here. Your font, let's make it a large title, and let's make it, what's a good color? Orange. And then that disappeared. I'm going to expect that again. It'll let me. There we go. I might make it bold as well. And you can change the line limit and add padding as well, which is pretty cool. So that's also updated here in our content view Swift file. And as you can see below hello world, we've got everything I just did underneath it. Now let's go and add another text view. Now you'll see a few things happen. Now you could copy and paste this, but you will get an error. Let's check it out. Because it'll just, it's a good way to learn. The more errors you make, you try not to, but so failed to build it. Let's have a look what's going on here. It's, yeah, declares an opaque return type. Okay, so what's happened is, because this is a universal app, you've got two text views in there, and we don't know how they're aligned. So what we have to do is embed them into a vertical stack. Now I'm going to try something over here, see if I can do that. No. Editor. Embed. Would be pretty cool, but no, you can't. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that into rounded brackets. So I selected it all, and I'm just going to hit rounded bracket. And I'm going to just type vstack outside of that, and that should fix that. Yep, there we go. So we've got both of them. They're duplicated and they're in a vertical stack. That's what vstack is. And also change that if you want to a horizontal stack. It's that easy. Now what else can we do? Let's mess around with this. Let's add another text view below this one. So how would you do that? I'm going to let you have a go at that and see if you can figure it out. All right, if you're like, nah, I just have no idea, man. So that's okay. Let's give it a go. So what we want to do is embed that horizontal stack into a vertical stack so that we can put something underneath there. So let's do that. Well, actually, I'll show you this. This is pretty cool. So select both of the things over here. I wonder if you can select the stack, would be good. There we go. you can. So you right click on the horizontal stack there and let's embed it in a vertical stack. All right, awesome. So that's done. Sort of freaked out my code a bit, so I'm just going to push it over a bit. All right, good. So there's our horizontal stack inside that, and we want to put a label underneath there. So just type text and my label underneath. All right, and now if you want to change the color, just copy what's up above, just dot color, and let's set it to green for something to do. And I'm just going to let this update now. Enter. And the preview is updating. You can see right down here, but we've got an error too. So let's check out this error. Okay, it's declaring an opaque return again. So I was pretty sure. Okay, that's why. So I embedded it in that vertical stack, but what it's done is it's embedded just the top part. Okay, so I need to put this actually, I missed this curly bracket here. I'm going to just try something, and I'm just going to select all and Control I. Just see if they'll clean it up a bit. No, you might want to do this and just press enter with these curly brackets. I kind of find, you know, everyone's got a style of coding. There we go. I'm going to try that. Just push this over a bit more. A bit more space. There we go. Yeah, it doesn't really line up. It's kind of lame, but anyways. And what we need to do is fix this. So how would you fix that? What do you think? Yeah, don't worry if you don't know, but if you want to have a go, pause right now. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm putting it inside the vertical stack, and it's really easy to discover where it ends. It's just by sort of, I'm just using the cursor keys left and right of that curly bracket there, and it shows me the start of that stack. And there we go, there's our little subtitle underneath. Bit hard to see, might make that black. That's how easy it is to update your view. And you can get into there and change the size of it as well. Just command and tap on it, inspect, and change the weight of it. The font, I want to make it bigger. Just disappeared for some reason there. And we'll make it like a sub headline. Not much different really. Call out's a bit better. And probably bold. I guess if you zoom in, it'll look pretty cool. Alright, so that's a quick little intro to horizontal and vertical stacks, and you must have this automatic preview. It saves you so much time. You don't have to build it to your iPhone simulator every time, and it will look like this when you do it. That's so much time you're going to save. So I can't wait to see what you make, and it's going to be quite quick, because that's the main aim of Swift UI, is they want to take out all of that, all the headaches of, you know, creating a view so that you can create the cool stuff. Have a good one. I'll talk soon.